What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I'm going to bring you another amazing video on Alpine Holdings. Ticker symbol is ALPP. Yet again, they come out and do some amazing things, are adding to positions, and really, it's just an incredible company for everything that they have accomplished during this pandemic. Super pumped to provide you guys this content, and really excited to talk about this addition. So if you're interested in ALPP, if you're interested in Alpine Holdings, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we dive in and talk about the addition of Alternative Labs LLC, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, you know about Alpine Holdings, you know about ALPP, you know exactly what they've been doing, everything that we are expecting to come from the NASDAQ uplisting. You understand that everything that they have accomplished to this point is going to be generating massive amounts of revenue. They are building a company that is going to be able to do just a tremendous amount of things for so many different businesses, people. It's just absolutely awesome. Led by CEO Kent Wilson, and it only trickles down from there in the just different avenues, different people that are just affiliated, incorporated into this company. Obviously, you know, from a big perspective that I've covered a lot on this channel when it comes to ALPP is definitely going to be their drone sector and everything they're doing with Vayu and Possible Aerospace. You know, I recently just did a video talking about the advancement that they're making already onto the next phase of their drone. So this company, one, is not playing around. Two, they're making the acquisitions, and they're really adding and really just doing some amazing things. So again, we're going to dive in, talk about an acquisition that absolutely is going to have a massive impact. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I'm excited to talk about this company. I'm excited to talk about everything that they're involved with because, yet again, it is another source of revenue for this company. Here we go. Alpine Holdings ALPP enters a nutraceutical and CBD manufacturing industry with its latest acquisition of Alternative Labs LLC. It says a leading operator and owner of small market businesses is pleased to announce that its holding subsidiary A4 Manufacturing Inc. has acquired Alternative Labs LLC, Alt Labs, a Florida limited liability company. Alternative Labs LLC is an international nutraceutical and CBD private label contract manufacturer located in Southwest Florida. The company specializes in the manufacturing and packaging of liquids, powders, tablets, capsules, and other unique nutritional and CBD products for various international wholesalers and retail entities. For the last decade, Alt Labs has established itself as a dominant player. That's a key part right there. Dominant player in the nutraceutical manufacturing market. Their manufacturing facility boasts 70,000 square feet of warehouse and production space and is an innovation center for clients. A client's idea is transformed into a scientific-based formula, expertly flavored, taste-tested, branded, packaged, and all under one roof. Again, we get to see some amazing things happen under one roof. And again, something that Alpine Holdings is just doing incredible at. The company is on a current run rate of roughly 22 million, ladies and gentlemen, annually, and anticipates its annual revenue to grow to only 40 million by 2022. Only an easy 40 million for a company that already has other subsidiaries that are just doing amazing things as well. This is revenue, ladies and gentlemen. This 22 million is being generated while operating at only 15% capacity. 15% capacity. With the company currently focused on expanding its global market share, there is ample room to accommodate new and exciting customers. Alt Labs will fall under the stabilizer category of Alpine 4's DSF business model. As a stabilizer, the company has solid revenues with strong gross profit margins. Alt Labs has the ability to shift into the facilitator category as it pertains to manufacturing techniques. Kent B. Wilson, the man, the myth, the legend, the CEO, had this to say. Since we acquired our first contract manufacturer, Quality Circuit Assembly, which we are really familiar with QCA on this channel, he said in 2016, we have been on the hunt for our next big manufacturing company to add Alpine for a family of companies. In September of 2020, when I first met the team at Alternative Labs, I knew they would fit perfectly into our A4 Manufacturing Inc. Holdings portfolio. Alternative Labs routinely generates 20 million plus in annualized revenue with gross profit margins that exceed industry standards. You'd love to hear it. He said when you couple these margins with the fast-paced and ever-growing CBD market, which I completely agree, Alternative Labs is on the horizon of explosive growth. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the type of thing that when we are experiencing what we are experiencing currently in the market, we're seeing ALPP may not be doing the best as a stock. It's obviously feels like it's been beaten down. This is what drives us to continue to just be hyped about this company. We're seeing the subsidiary after subsidiary after subsidiary that not only are they acquiring, but they're adding to their repertoire. I mean, this is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. This only bodes well for moving to the NASDAQ, which we know is right around the corner. This is just exciting times, and this is what helps you kind of see past what we've been enduring as a stock price. As a shareholder, this is the type of thing you want to see. This is positive. This is a company that is very headstrong, knows exactly what they want, because he even stated that he saw what he wanted in them in September. He saw it. He's like, I'm going to go get this. So you know that he is doing the due diligence for the company, for the shareholders, and he is driving it home. I'm excited about this. I know a ton of you are out there as well. Super pumped. And honestly, I can't say enough about Kent Wilson. And now we've come to my favorite part of any video, and that is chart breaking down time. Can I break it down like TC from Burnet Market Trading? No, not quite yet, but this is still my favorite part. Let's swing on over here and check out ALPP. So I really couldn't decide if I wanted to see a day, a week, a month, 6 months, a year. So I just went with the 6 months. Today it opened at $4.13. It got as high as $4.25. Its low is $3.86. Its volume 614,000. And its market cap currently is at 634 million. 52-week high is $9.49. 52-week low is 0.034. Average volume is 1.87 million. So it was down today. It closed at $3.96. That was down 6.60%. Like I stated in the beginning, I didn't really know what chart to show you. I chose the 6 month. The reason is, ladies and gentlemen, is just because I feel this stock is very undervalued, especially for everything that they keep doing. They keep putting out, every subsidiary they have acquired and placed them under a house. I mean, they are doing some amazing things. They really are building a true solid foundation, and the walls are going up on this business. The revenue is coming. We're seeing some very, very good quarterly earnings. I do believe the quarterly earnings report is getting ready to come up. So there just is honestly a lot going on for this company in a very, very positive direction. So as you guys can see in the 6 month chart, we did have a rapid run up right there at the end of January, leading into really the middle parts of February. And since that point, really in February, it's just been a downtrend and then just really kind of a stalemate. Yes, we've had some pops here and there, but we've never really had that tremendous run like we did. Honestly, I think that this company is staged for a lot because the NASDAQ uplist is right around the corner. We know that's going to happen. And so this is just an exciting time as an ALPP holder. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on Alpine 4 Holdings, ALPP. I can assure you this will not be the last of these kinds of videos, and the reason is because they continue to impress, continue to go out and make acquisitions, and it's just exciting. I do want to remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.